Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to identify the terminal side of an angle in standard position given angles on the XY plane. So we have here 4 angles, 135 degrees, negative 135 degrees, negative 90 degrees, and 405 degrees. Alamin natin yung kanilang mga terminal side based from the angles given dito sa ating XY plane. At ganun din, yung mga terminal sides niya na OA, OB, OC, OE, and the last one, this is OD. Okay? OD. Yeah. Now, for 135 degrees, patuloy natin yung kanyang terminal side. So, pag sinabing angle in standard position, the measurement will start on the positive x-axis. So, therefore, 135, starting from the positive x-axis, should rotate papunta doon. Kasi positive yung angle. So, starting from the x-axis up to this is equal to 135 degrees. So, ito. 135 degrees yun. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin nun, ang terminal side, 135 degrees based from our XY plane is OC. Okay? Since this is a ray, the symbol that we're going to use is a symbol for a ray. Using the symbols, the letters O and C. So, we have OC, and then on top is a symbol for a ray. So, therefore, 135 degrees has a terminal side na OC. Okay? Next, negative 135. Anong kanyang terminal side? Ang rotation ng ating negative angle starting from the x-axis kasi standard position is clockwise direction. So, kapag clockwise direction, so from here, papunta doon. Okay? Yun ang kanyang 135. Kasi 180 minus 45 is negative 135 degrees. So, sa makatwid, standard angle in standard position tinutukoy, ang ating negative 135 measures from the positive x-axis. The direction of rotation is clockwise, and it will fall on this ray. Therefore, the terminal side of negative 135 is OD. Okay? How about negative 90 degrees? Negative 90 degrees. So, ito yan, pababa. So, ito perpendicular yung X to the right and Y downward. So, therefore, this is the 90 degrees or the negative 90 degrees, this one. That is negative 90 degrees. Therefore, the terminal side of negative 90 degrees is OE. OE. And the last one is 405 degrees. Ano kanyang terminal side? 405 degrees completes one revolution. Okay? So that is 405 minus 360 degrees. So 45 degrees. It falls dun sa ating first quadrant. Okay? One complete revolution and then another 45 degrees. So ito yan. Isang ikot and then another 45 degrees. Yun yung 405 degrees. At ang difference niya, ito 45 degrees na to. So therefore, ang kanyang terminal side lies dun sa ating first quadrant at ang terminal side niya ay OB. Yan. Okay? Sana naintindihan on how to identify the terminal side of an angle in standard position. So that will be the end of the topic about identifying the terminal side of an angle in standard position. Given the angles and also the terminal side ng ating pong terminal side and angles on the XY plane. So that will be the end of the discussion about this topic. Thank you.